Alright, what is up, YouTube? Today is a trading recap. Today's Wednesday, March 21st, 2026. I traded micro yes, and the session I traded was New York session, and my bias was bullish. And let me just show you how I got the bias right now. So if we go to the daily, we've literally been moving up and haven't had any pullback. We had this little pullback day right here, but other than that, we've just been moving up. There's just no reason for us to move down unless we break maybe on this day, but it's the day after my trade, so doesn't matter. I guess we moved down. We broke in structure here. We broke back up to the upside right here during London session, and then during New York session, I'm like, all right, I guess we're gonna start looking for longs. 1 hour, same thing pretty much during beginning. We broke in structure to the upside right here. Oh wait, no we didn't. Right here on the 1 hour, we're kind of just in an uptrend. We were never, or we broke here. We never broke to the downside. We kind of just accumulated, did nothing, and then we moved for higher highs. And then let's go to the 15-minute. This is where I took my trade actually. So I did miss like two decently well trades. I low-key was like super tired this morning, and I wasn't planning on trading. I was just kind of like sleeping. But then when I woke up, like, cause I woke up at like 6:30, got in the markets, was on for like until like 6:45ish, and then got off, and then got back on at like 6:15, like 6:10, probably six. No, maybe it was before that. Before six, like 7. Got off at 6:45ish, and then got back on at like 6:08, 6:07. Yeah, or 7:07. My bad, 7:07. I'm messing up my times. But this trade was like like I mean it was a good trade for what it was at the time. Oh no, it was a 5-minute confluence. But yeah, look at this. This is pretty nice. So we broke in structure here on the 15-minute. I'm like, all right, we're looking for longs. And then if we go to the 5-minute, boom. Oops. So here's the trade that I missed at the beginning of the day right here. It came down in this order block on the 5-minute, and I wish I entered off of this. I would have hit TP a lot earlier, and I actually would have hit TP. Today it wasn't even like a trade. It was like the stupidest thing ever. Look at this. I had to get stopped out here. I got liquidated because the margin was different or something like that. But so yeah, I kind of just came up and did a bunch of random stuff. Market closed. But yeah, I should have entered off of here, but I entered off of this instead, which actually wasn't even necessarily bad. So what I saw was we were moving up for higher highs, and on was it the 15-minute? I'm pretty sure it was the 15-minute. Yeah. No, it wasn't. Wait. Yeah, it was. So look at the 15-minute right here. We are moving up. We broke in structure to the upside, make fair value gap, and so I made this 0 and 1. Put the Fibonacci retracement down, put an order buy order at the 0.5, made a stop loss down here, and then it immediately went up, came down, just kind of accumulated, did absolutely nothing, and then around like I don't know what the 15:15, I don't know what time that is mine. It came up and almost hit TP, which it should have, because I made another mistake. That's why I didn't hit TP, and I got liquidated right here, and I only made like 14 bucks. And I'm not even counting this as a trade, but might as well talk about it and what I could do better for next time. So it came up, did not hit TP for one obvious reason. I don't know why I put my TP here. I actually remember. I remember earlier this morning I was looking at it, I'm like, should I move my stop loss down to a better area so then maybe it actually hits, it's like a higher chance of hitting a TP. And I'm like, should I move it down to right here instead? Because it might hit TP, because it might just sweep this liquidity and move for farther lows. But guess what? I didn't. Because I'm like, I shouldn't move it because I'm in the trade and I want to stay disciplined. Which I'm not mad about, but it's only like, what? $95. I think I had like a 102. It's like, it doesn't really matter about the money, I guess, but yeah, so that's kind of annoying. I wish I did that earlier, not I would have hit TP for today. A little later, would have been like a 5-hour trade, 6-hour trade probably. So that's what I could have done better. I feel like I could have just maybe moved this instead of TP, it's just this random area. Actually put it into this area where I thought I was going to get up to, which it did. Should have been a lot nicer, and it would have been nicer if these 5-minute confluences. Sorry, my brother need my brother was in my room and my mom needed him. But yeah, so I mean, yeah, I should have took this 5-minute trade right here, and that's really all I could have done better. Was really either taken that 5-minute trade and been in the markets for that, or just had actually a decent TP. Like I just guessed wrong, you know. I am happy though that Ninja Trader took me out of the market right here, cause that would have killed. I don't think that would have stopped me right here. I think it would have been delayed and stopped me like somewhere down here. But yeah, overall mid trading day. It was like a weird day. I've never had something like this. Longest trade I've probably ever taken too. Do I have any more notes? My emotions. Oh, this is probably my best entry I've ever done on a trade. I'm gonna be honest. Like, look at this entry, brother. Comes down, because usually like I wait till it hits 0.5 and then I wait, oh, let's wait till it goes down. Let's wait till it goes down. Oh, wait, it's going up. Oh no, it's going up. Oh no, we have to enter right here. Boom, entered right here. Would have got stopped out. Would have got stopped out right here. But because I did a buy order and I was able to place it way before this even came here. Oops. Like I literally placed it down before the market was there. It feels so much better to do that. It comes down, hits it, because if it doesn't hit it, then you don't trade, so you're not actually risking anything. You're like, all right, well, it's fine, I guess. It didn't hit my confluences. I'm completely fine with that. It didn't do what I wanted it to do, so why would I want to enter that anyways? Versus this, oh, it hit it. That's good. It did what I wanted to do. Look at it, hit right here. Boom, tapped in, went up. I felt pretty good about it. I don't know at the time. I thought it was a nice entry. Um, wish it, wish I had a better TP, but overall, um, mid trading day. Nothing crazy. I thought it was decent. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow or whenever I do my next trading recap. Probably this week, Thursday. What's the news? So, oh yeah, no news today. The news tomorrow: unemployment claims and flash manufacturing PMI. Yeah, I'll be trading tomorrow, and on Friday I'll definitely be trading. So, one of those days probably will be another trading recap. But yeah, see you guys, and peace.